In this lesson, we're going to learn the verb ser, which means to be in Spanish. Let's take a look at how we can use the verb ser with the different subject pronouns. Yo soy means I am. Tú eres means you are, informal. Usted es means you are, formal. Él es means he is. Ella es means she is. Ustedes son means you all are. Ellos or ellas son means they are. Nosotros or nosotras somos means we are. As you can see, the verb ser, which means to be, changes depending on who you're talking about. When talking about yourself, it becomes soy, I am. When speaking to someone informally, it becomes eres, you are. When talking about someone else, whether it's a man or a woman, it becomes es. He is, she is, you are, formal. When talking about two or more people, it becomes son. They are, you all are. When talking about a group that includes yourself, it becomes somos. We are. These forms are called conjugations, and this is how we conjugate the verb ser with different subject pronouns. Yo soy Daniel. I am Daniel. Ella es Ana. She is Anna. Él es Carlos. He is Carlos. Ellos son Marta y José. They are Marta and José. Well done! You've just completed the lesson on the verb ser, which means to be. In the practice video for this module, we'll create real sentences using everything you've learned so far. Be sure to take your time, review this material carefully, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video.